Good weather. So today is not my fault.
Right now.
Automatically.
We'll just forget about today.
Just forget about today and move on. Look forward to the end of the week.
Yes.
We have lots of sunshine on tap for the end of the week. Lots of clouds, though, in the forecast for today. Taking you outside to Amherst, UB North Campus, where we still see lots of clouds and wet ground and even some puddles from the rain that pushed through Amherst, Williamsville, and the Buffalo Metro earlier today. And we have more showers in the forecast for this afternoon. Lots of clouds outside this noon as well. We'll take you looking at the satellite picture right now. We're generally seeing overcast conditions, although we could see a couple breaks in the clouds, especially along the Niagara frontier as we work through the day today. But it is going to be mainly overcast for areas south of Buffalo. And believe it or not, this is the same exact storm system that brought the southern tier close to 2 inches of rain Saturday night. It's actually retrograding and bringing back some showers into our neck of the woods. Best chance to see showers for the afternoon hours will be in areas south and east of the Buffalo Metro. They will be very spotty, but you folks in the southern tier will be seeing overcast for the rest of today. Super microcast showing just a couple more showers in the forecast for the rest of the afternoon for areas south of the Buffalo Metro. Other than that, lots of clouds, possibly a few odd breaks across the Niagara frontier. Overnight, we're looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies. A dry start at 7:30 tomorrow morning, and tomorrow will remain dry for the balance of the day. We'll even see a little bit more sunshine than today, especially along the Niagara frontier. Partly sunny skies there, mostly cloudy skies, though, across the southern tier for tomorrow afternoon. And then Wednesday, we are watching a cool front that'll bring some scattered showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon hours. Rain cooled air, only 63 degrees right now at the Buffalo Airport, with a brisk breeze out of the northeast at 15 miles per hour, so it's feeling downright chilly on the outside today. And at the rest of our major reporting sites, we're at 59 in Wellsville, also in Bradford, 67 coming up in Dunkirk, and 64 in Niagara Falls. We're watching the fourth named tropical storm system of the hurricane season this year. This is Tropical Storm Danielle. Now, still a tropical storm, but it's a strong tropical storm. Wind sustained at 65 miles per hour, moving to the west-northwest at 16, and it is expected to continue to strengthen over the next 24 to 48 hours. In fact, it may reach hurricane status as early as tonight. So here's a look at your Weather Watch 4 forecast for today. We're looking at clouds, possibly a few odd breaks along the Niagara frontier, and a few spotty showers in areas south and east where it will be cooler. Breezy temperatures today well below average, only 65 to 70. For tonight, we're looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies. A passing shower can't be ruled out, dropping to about 53 degrees across the southern tier and staying at about 64 right along the lakeshore. For tomorrow, we're looking at partly sunny skies along the Niagara frontier, cloudier in areas south, highs between 70 and 75. For the rest of the extended outlook, we have a cool front on tap for Wednesday. That'll arrive sometime in the late afternoon, bringing some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Those showers and storms will linger into Thursday, but once we clear that, we are looking at absolutely gorgeous weather for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and the return of 80-degree temperatures in time for the weekend. So, you know, August wrapping up and everything. If everyone wants to get out to the pool one last time, this weekend's looking like the perfect weekend for that.
We've really lucked out on the weekends.
Oh, we absolutely have. Yeah, this one wasn't so nice.